FragWatch here. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Pulsar X3. This is the size 2 version. I have the size 1. I like this mouse so little that I didn't even open my size 1 so I can sell it. I'm going to sell a mouse. That's how much I do not like this mouse. I got one. I think I got a size 1 in both black and white too. That's how excited I was for the shape. I love the Logitech G701, 2, and 3. This doesn't feel remarkably similar to me. I know on Elo shapes they look alike. They don't feel fucking anything alike. I can tell you that. At least in my experience. Okay, let's start off with the good or the clicks. Scroll wheel, sensor, coding. Yeah, those are the good things. I'm not going to go too much into detail because I just universally do not like this mouse. The shape is awful. I can't recommend it to anyone, in my opinion. I love Pulsar. You guys know I'm like a fanboy of Pulsar. Like, I love them. And this is just like, I'm really let me be very clear here. I'm very happy you guys tried a new shape. I think that's admirable. I love it. I hate that you tarnished the X series name with making this an X3 instead of like, I don't know, the Z1 or something. I don't know. This shape is like the back, like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, it's just bulbous back here. It's like they took the worst elements of all their mice and just like fucking threw them together. It's like, what do people hate about the V series and the X series and the X2H series? Let's find all the worst things about those and smash them together. I hate this shape. It's just not, like, it's so, like, look how it makes me, ugh. I cannot I can't aggressive claw this. My hands are 16.5 by 12 or even 12.5 depending on the day. Very thick pads. So I don't have average shaped hands, right? But I feel like I have enough experience. I know I have enough experience to give an honest critique of hand sizes that'll work with a mouse, and this mouse just won't work with hands. This mouse won't work with my hands, and I don't think, in my opinion, that it'll work with your hands either. I don't recommend this mouse to anyone, and that's my true thoughts. I really like Pulsar as a company. I'm going to say it again. Like, I'm really glad you guys did a new shape that deserves, like, kudos. Great job. Glad you guys did that. This is not the shape. I don't know who tested this and approved it, but it's, I don't even know how to describe it. The clicky boys there are like angled down and out, so they're like sloped. like that. You know, athletes don't run duck-footed for the most part. Why are we doing mice that are duck-footed? I don't know. I'm kind of duck-footed, so, you know, whatever. But I'm not an athlete. Well, maybe on the computer. Oh, you're funny. Okay. All right, let's get back to this. Let's make it short. I'll wrap this up by 5 minutes. About that, I don't recommend this mouse to anybody. There's better mice out there, like the Pulsar X2, X2H, or V4. I guess it's the X2 V3 now. Come on, that's why this was a bad idea to name it the X3. Terrible. Skates are good too. I forgot about that. Skates are good. Simplicity of the buttons on the bottom, good. I love this glass on the bottom. By the way, it is nasty. It gets so gross, but man, it I like that it's shielded. Like, that grossness could be on the PCB in there. So thank you guys for that. Oh, gotta finish it. Oh, bye.